Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to come up with another video update and let you guys know what's been happening to these charts recently. So last time I made a video on the euro dollar and the dollar index as well. I try to predict what the long term move is going to be. So let's take a look at what happened. Okay, so let's go back to the monthly. I um, I had initially drawn two zones in the monthly, so one of them being this supply. So actually, let me see if I can pull up. Let me see if I can get some of the old ideas which I had for my dollar index. So this was one of my ideas. So I had drawn this monthly supply zone. Price had already reacted to this monthly demand zone. And if we see what happened, we did get a reaction from this supply zone as anticipated. So now price is coming back and it's slow on our curve. So this was the zone that I had drawn. Okay. Um, and my long term expectation was that price would continue on to the upside up until our next high time frame supply zone. So, obviously, this monthly supply zone has been tested, but it could still give us a nice move. Let's see if we can see something here. On the weekly, we can see that price did give a nice reaction from this supply zone, demand zone, and price is coming back towards it again. I would expect that price would probably give us a reaction somewhere over here. Maybe if you go to the 12 hour, I think we can see something a bit more clearer. Okay, so we do have this drop based rally. So I would expect some more downside for the time being. So we could keep on going a bit down. We might get a nice reaction from this demand zone. Apart from that, I think we would have another demand zone, but it's a bit lower. So this one does seem like a good demand zone. And I mean, this one would probably be our last bet, but I probably wouldn't expect for price to come all the way to this demand zone right here. I would expect that price would give us a nice move to the upside if we do get a chance to get filled here or at this demand zone. All of these supply zones that we see here, I wouldn't take them just because they're not in any good location in terms of the curve. So I mean you could take this some of these zones if you think they're good. For me, I just see them as just continuation pattern, just like how price went from here to here. Yeah, we did get lots of demand zones being formed, but realistically, how many did actually work out? So a lot of these zones really didn't work out. Um, they mainly formed because price had reacted really strongly to the monthly zone, and it went all the way up to catch liquidity, the opposing supply zone. So I think this is what's happening again. Pretty much a rinse and repeat cycle. Might not happen exactly as we would like it to be. So this zone that it reacted to here, it might not really happen again. Um, but I would expect some good move, and maybe perhaps we might get some newer, better looking zones that can be formed later on. So for the time being, I would not short where prices are right now, unless you probably just want to get a quick 1-to-1, 2-to-1. Then maybe let's see, we could get a nice pullback and entry to like say this supply zone or even this one, but obviously it's just lower probability. Even though you could say that you're going with the trade and with the momentum, but we know that it's bound to stop sooner or later. So um, yeah, so this is just the update I wanted to show you guys. We did get a nice move down. Monthly supply reacted quite well. I would start looking for nice buy opportunities here, and if we do get some, then I would probably go and try to go long. So yeah, this is it. I will probably give another update in the next few weeks or maybe months. Who knows, depending on how fast this chart moves. So yeah, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from that, and feel free to share your opinions as well. If you do plan on going long or short, let me know what your bias is as well. And yeah, best of luck, guys.